Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lifeline Glide. First, unpack all components and familiarize yourself with the system's design. The Lifeline Glide is a versatile tool for full-body workouts, utilizing your body weight for resistance. It typically includes a main unit, handles, and foot straps. Always check for any damage before use and ensure you have at least 6 feet by 4 feet of clear space. This preparation ensures a safe and effective exercise session. Setting up your Lifeline Glide correctly is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Begin by finding a sturdy anchor point, such as a door frame anchor or a secure overhead beam. Attach the main unit firmly, ensuring all clips are locked. Next, adjust the strap length. Shorter straps increase difficulty, while longer straps offer more range of motion. Always perform a gentle tug test to confirm the system is stable and secure before engaging in any exercises. Once set up, you can begin with foundational exercises. For a chest press, face away from the anchor, holding the handles and push forward. For rows, face the anchor and pull your body towards your hands. Remember to keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line, avoiding any sagging or arching. Perform each repetition slowly and with control, focusing on the muscle contraction rather than momentum for optimal results. As you progress, you can explore more challenging exercises. Try pikes by placing your feet in the straps and lifting your hips, or single leg squats for increased leg strength. Vary your hand and foot positions to target different muscle groups and add intensity. Remember to always warm up before and cool down after your workout. If you feel any pain, stop immediately. Consistency and proper form are key to achieving your fitness goals safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.